Okay, so we just saw a major dump on Bitcoin, and I quickly want to talk about my trades because I am reacting very heavily towards this most recent dip here with my upcoming new trades here. Because yes, we got some very bearish news because the PPI data came in way hotter than expected. But actually, if we're looking at what is right now expected in terms of rate cuts, we are seeing nothing is changing yet so far. So what does this mean? This is basically a major trap on Bitcoin. I mean, yes, we are flushing out a lot of liquidity, a lot of liquidations, and basically what we're seeing right here is the great reset because all the funding rates are going back to neutral. All the over long positions on Bitcoin are reset right now. And I want you to not forget, we are in the final stage of the bull market. And basically any given dip at this point of time is actually a major opportunity. And of course, in tomorrow's video, in this morning's video, I discussed the final wave of Bitcoin. I think that truly we are at the last part of the cycle and that we're going to go only a little bit higher for Bitcoin. But this is, of course, where you want to be acting. Of course, I want you to understand there is still a slight little CME gap trading below us, because if we're looking on the 1 hour time frame, we can see over here, we were about to fill up that CME gap, but unfortunately didn't exactly fill it up here. Is it going to get filled up? There is definitely a chance this is going to be happening. If, of course, the altcoin market is going to drop ever so slightly lower, I will react even more aggressively towards my new trades here, because you can see coins like Arbitrum, etc. They are having a very strong reaction on this rebound here, and they really want to be pumping higher. So what I did is I took some slight profits, 35K, on my Ethereum trade and rotated these profits in towards Tau, Aptos, and Arbitrum. So 3 new trades I opened with about like $150,000 and using 10x leverage. So if these trades are going to come down ever so slightly, I am going to go double down on these positions because I do think we are on the verge of having a major breakout, because what we're currently sitting in the part of the cycle, like I also discussed in this morning's video, is that we are about to see the rotation from Ethereum towards large caps. And guys, if you want to be trading on the cheapest exchange out there, which is WEX, you have to use the first link in today's video description, because if you do so, you'll get a 25% fee rebate, which makes WEX the cheapest exchange to trade on. And besides that, you can get a free $1,000 trade on Aptos, which I'm also having a trade on currently. And yeah, I honestly think this time it is it's just a major trap here. And what we have seen, of course, Bitcoin grabbed, of course, the highs, grabbed out the liquidity. Now the funding rates are exactly reset. I think it is actually rather looking good than bearish at this moment of time here. And of course, I want you to understand the timings of this cycle. We have about 6 to 7 weeks left here before, if we're looking at all the previous cycles, this cycle is going to be ending. So make sure to benefit from it. Also, guys, I have this private group here with all these traders. And yeah, I've showed it so many times here, but we had many successful trades as well. And I am also sharing my alpha over here in my group, and of course I'm constantly engaging with you guys out there. So if you want to be joining this free private group here, basically go to the third link in today's video description, sign up an account, and join us over there. So very exciting times ahead of ourselves, but I wanted to make this quick update video that I'm actually using this dip as an opportunity to scale in even bigger towards my trades here. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.